Alright, so this is the Dyson 360 robot vacuum right here. It's actually in action right here, moving around. And it's going around cleaning the carpet. And it has auto detection going on. Look at this, it's just moving around in all of its glory right here. Cleaning the floor. Let's see. And one thing I like about it, it knows where the edge of the carpet is and goes over it. It didn't look like a cliff, so it kept on going. And one thing I noticed about it, it's really quiet. It doesn't make a lot of noise as it's going through, detecting through the room. There's actually an LCD display like on the top. And it sees people walking and see if it stopped. It did not stop. It just kept on going. And it's rolling through there. It seems quiet, seems to be picking up. Pretty much everything looks like the carpeting is clean, but here it is. It's all its glory right here.